Hello everyone. I thought I would give a little background on myself and the tank. I've been in the hobby for 28 years. I go by Iholdtruereefing on all the socials. I've kept both fresh and saltwater aquaria. Currently I have a 90-gallon Aqueon reef ready tank plumbed to a 29-gallon open sump. I also have a 30-gallon deep blue frag tank plumbed into the same system. For lighting on the 90-gallon, I use a WavePoint T5 4-bolt fixture with two AliExpress LED light bars as supplemental lighting. For flow in the 90-gallon tank, I run two Jabao SOW8 wave makers on a random flow mode, and I use an Aquaneat surface skimmer to prevent biofilm buildup on the surface of the tank. For the sump, I run a filter sock in between 5 to 200 microns depending on what I am attempting to accomplish. One's coming from the main tank and one's coming from the frag tank. I run a Bubble Magus Curve 5 as my skimmer, a plumbed inline air tube from the outside. It goes through a carbon canister filter and a CO2 scrubber media filter prior to reaching the skimmer. In the sump, I also run a surface skimmer to prevent biofilm buildup on the surface of the sump water. My return pump is an AquaStation 4000 DC pump. In my 30-gallon deep blue, I'm using two Lumini 20-watt LED lights. For the flow, I run one 950-gallon per hour Aqueon circulation pump. For control, the lights on both tanks, I'm running GoSun Wi-Fi outlets. For monitoring, I run a RoboTank controller to monitor the pH and temperature. I also run an Inkbird controller to my Jaeger 300-watt heater. As a backup power supply in case of power outages, I have an EcoFlow River 2 connected to my return pump to keep flow going in all tanks and in the sump. To top off the water, I run a Reef Builder's Prism ATO system. If you have any questions or any input, I can try to answer them. Happy reefing, everyone.